Hey guys, welcome back. Got the S25 Ultra right here. Pretty slick phone.
Nice.
The Spigen case, bought it off Amazon. Links are in the description. And let's see how this case stands up to be. The main reason I ordered it, so I want to be able to see it. I really love to rock this phone and walk around without any case, just like that. But always afraid of dropping it. And I'm at construction job sites, and even though I have my Galaxy Watch Ultra to answer my phones and stuff, answer my phone calls and sometimes speak to it, have this in my pocket, I do have to sometimes get the phone out. It's easier to text message. So I got this case for it. Tough case, and look how nice it looks like. The clear case looks beautiful. Very sleek design. So from far away, it doesn't even look like there's anything on it. I did get a slim case, it's coming, so I'm gonna have that also. Show you guys, see how you guys like it. But from this side, it looks pretty darn good actually. And if you guys didn't know, you can actually use an S24 Ultra case on an S25 Ultra.
Surprise, motherfucker!
So I got another clear case for my S24 Ultra, and let's just see, because exact same template, just the corner edges are round in here. And I'll tell you, it doesn't feel more comfortable or anything. I don't think it makes any difference once the case is on. This is the S24 Ultra case, and here we go. There you go. It fit perfectly. Here you can see. Yeah, like I said, you don't feel anything. The case is not that hard, so I don't really feel any pain or anything here. But yeah, this is the S24 Ultra case on the S25 Ultra. So that's my review on the Spigen clear case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'll leave the link in the description if anyone wants to know how it looks like. This is it right here. There is a little bump out on the edge, so if you drop it flat down, then you'll be fine. It's about maybe 1/16 of an inch. Closer look. Alright guys, that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, comments, leave it in the description. I'll try more cases in the future. But see you guys next time.